Have you ever wanted to make your own delicious meads? Well, you're in luck. Today I am introducing my new book, The Practical Mead-Maker, available on Amazon. Learn from my 25 years of mead-making experience and take your meads to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned mead maker, this book breaks mead making down step by step. Learn my mead-making process. Learn why ensuring yeast health is a top priority for successful fermentation. Keep your yeast happy and active throughout your entire process. Understand the importance of yeast nutrients and the additions in your mead must. Explore nutrients like GoFerm, Fermate-O, Fermate-K, DAP, and even use acid blend to enhance your mead's flavor and aroma after fermentation. Follow my 4-stage nutrient addition method for optimal fermentations. Maintain the perfect pH and acidity level for balanced flavors and smooth fermentation. Explore factors affecting honey from micronutrients to mineral levels and potassium content. Understand how honey production and varieties influence your mead making. Have you ever encountered a hiccup or a problem in your meads? Well, don't worry. The Practical Mead-Maker book has got you covered with troubleshooting tips. Discover a variety of mead styles, from hydromel to dry meads. Find your perfect strength and sweetness level with my guide. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of mead making? Head to the description or the comments section below and grab your copy of the Practical Mead-Maker ebook today. Please like and subscribe to the channel. We would really appreciate it.